Good morning, Shea students. Hey, we have our assembly coming up over at Shadow Mountain High School to see Spamalot. I'm really excited to be able to see that show with you and excited to be able to take the entire school over there. I just want to remind you before we go how we sting in assemblies, how we show self control, take responsibility, have integrity, be nice, and give respect. So remember that we respond at appropriate times and we follow directions. So when we're walking over there, when we're in the facility, that make sure that we are following directions. That we enter and exit orderly and quietly. We're not yelling and screaming. This is an indoor location, so we need to make sure that you are um, taking responsibility and making sure you're doing what is right to do. Make sure you sit with your assigned class. So once you get in and grab your seat, go ahead and sit down. Wait for the performance to start. Under NICE, we expect you to clap and cheer to support peers when appropriate. Now, that does not mean yelling and screaming. That does not mean shouting out things. In fact, I do not want it. It is inappropriate in this setting to be shouting out words and stuff like that to performers. You can clap when it's appropriate, but a play is not a time to shout out things or really to shout during the performances. And then in under give respect, to put forth your best effort to make sure that you are a shining example of what we should be at Shea. We want to make sure that we carry ourselves with pride and dignity wherever we go. Because remember, when you go and step into a different school, you not only represent yourselves, you represent your families, you represent Shea as a school. And we want to make sure to put our best foot forward and allow us to be able to have opportunities like this in the future. So thank you for letting me take a couple minutes to talk about what to expect and how we expect you to act and behave in the assemblies. Looking forward to a fantastic assembly over at Shadow Mountain on Thursday. See you then, folks.